everyone. Namaste, Sasrikal Ayubhavan. This is Vinay, your licensed immigration advisor from Immigration Law Advice. We bring the information to you in ABS format, accurate, brief, and simple. Today, we're going to talk about the Resident Visa 2021, also known as a RV, the new lingo RV 2021. There are a lot of information around as well as the misinformation, how easy or difficult it's gonna be. But most importantly, a lot of clients contacting us, and in general, you must be thinking whether you should apply for that visa yourself or with the help of any professional, be it the licensed immigration advisor or an immigration lawyer. So today, the reason of this video is to highlight why you should consider taking a help from a professional. It's not about coming to me or our company. You can take professional help from anywhere, but what could be the reasons you may consider taking the help of a professional to apply for RV 2021. So there are 4 reasons which I've thought about, and see which one of you think is more relevant to you, or you like, and do put that in the comment column and let us know what you think. Of course, the first one is the scale of the applications. So there are 110,000 applications for RV 2021, which are gonna be submitted in December as well as March phase. So they are around close to 15,000 in December phase, but the rest, most of them 95,000 odd. Remember, the number of residency are 165,000, but the application is around 110,000. Still, it's a huge number. For the immigration also, it's a huge number, especially when the overseas offices are closed and every work has to be done in the country. And looking at the scale of the application and the timeline, of course, everyone would like the visa to be processed as soon as possible. So even from immigration perspective, they want to process the application as soon as possible, as per the immigration minister saying we'll process these applications within a year. So what immigration expect is, of course, to get a decision ready applications, which means if they have all the information they need, they can check. They have a checklist to tick if everything is there, so they can make a quick decision. And of course, if there is some gap, information is missing, that application has to go into the queue and the further information will be required, which will of course take its own time. So my first reason is scale. The scale of the applications are so high, so it's important that you apply with all the information required, and getting a help from professional means that you will have all the important information which professional keep on getting through immigration, New Zealand, and other sources, so that your application is submitted as a decision ready, rather than you doing it yourself, and even there is a 1% chance of making mistake. Number 2, E for efficient lodgement. So E is not for early lodgement, E is for efficient lodgement. So I know a number of our friends, clients, you're thinking, oh, the application is going to be opening on 1st of December or 1st of March. So I want to put my application day 1, or even in the night of, last year, February, midnight, 12:01 a.m. on 1st of March, put my application and it will be processed quickly. Remember, it's not about the early lodgement, it is about the efficient lodgement. So if your submitting your application efficiently with the accurate information out of the 3 criteria, be it settlement criteria, the scale criteria, or the scarce list criteria. You need to apply and provide information efficiently, again related with the first point, the scale. Immigration expect to see applications in a best possible way where they can make their decisions more swiftly. So S, E, and number 3 is A. A is for accuracy. So accuracy is not just when we are assessing, or the professionals, the advisors assessing your case, which criteria feels better, whether settle, scarce, or the scaled one, but also looking at the accurate assessment level. If immigration get the application, they have any further questions, they come back to the advisor, so advisor can look at and respond to the immigration more accurately. And remember, if you haven't taken the help from the advisor, you have applied yourself and you end up missing one thing. Remember, once you missed it, if you get a PPI or a letter from Immigration New Zealand and you go back to professional, for advisor, we have to look at application as a overall. It's very difficult to undo the things and undo and redo rather than doing right in one first go. So accurate assessment as well as accurate response to the Immigration New Zealand is very important. So that would be my third reason why I would go to a professional to take help for RV 2021. Number 4, last but not the least, L, long-term planning. Think this through. This is a one-off opportunity for most of you who might be thinking what's going to happen in last few years about the settlement option, and we got this opportunity. Understand, if you're going to a professional, there will be a few $1,000s you'll be spending. But if you look at it in a long-term perspective, if you get the things done and dusted in an efficient, accurate way, you will get what you want, get your residency sorted. If you're looking to, buy your own home in this country, you'll be eligible to do that. You'll have a number of other personal plans. So in a long-term perspective, do you really think that you would like to take a chance and apply yourself? And like I said, even there's a 1% chance of making a mistake. Are you in a position to afford that? So what we discuss in this video about the 4 reasons why should you take the help of a professional to applying for a resident visa 2021. SEAL. S for the scale, the number of applications which gonna be processed is very high, so it's good to get professional help. Efficient lodgement, do it once, do it right. A for accuracy in your assessment as well as responding to Immigration New Zealand if there is any questions with regards to your application. Long-term perspective, looking at the importance of this visa and your long-term goals. So with this 4 reasons, SEAL, seal the deal, seal the deal for your resident visa 2021 and see what options you have where you can go and take help from a professional. And if you can afford it, definitely, even if there's a 1% chance, you should go and have a chat and discuss your options and go from there. Hope this was something for you to think about. Remember, SEAL, seal the deal for resident visa 2021. Cheers.